Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home and garden needs. Today, we are excited to introduce the best Easy Spa Start, the Easy Spa Hot Tub Care Bundle. If you're looking for an easy, effective way to maintain your hot tub, this is the product for you. The Easy Spa Hot Tub Care Bundle is a complete solution that includes 1 pound of Easy Spa Total Care and 2 premium Poolzilla Scum Star Sponges. Whether you're a first-time hot tub owner or someone who just wants to simplify their maintenance routine, this bundle offers the ultimate care for your spa. Easy Spa Total Care is a specially blended formula that eliminates the need for adding multiple chemicals to your water every other day. It works as a clarifier, stable oxidizer, scale and stain inhibitor, water conditioner, and balances your pH, Ta, and CH. This all-in-one solution ensures your spa water stays clean, clear, and trouble-free, giving you more time to relax and enjoy. Plus, it's compatible with ozone and mineral purifiers, so it's perfect for a variety of hot tub systems. Along with the Easy Spa Total Care, you also get the Poolzilla Scum Star Sponges, which are built to last and handle the toughest of substances. These sponges are designed with a ribbed upper, perfect for scrubbing away stubborn stains and residue from your hot tub. The foam is specially engineered to absorb body oils, suntan lotions, and other oils that accumulate in your spa water, leaving it cleaner and more refreshing. What makes this bundle stand out is its proactive approach to spa maintenance. Easy Spa Total Care helps prevent problems before they arise, so you're not constantly reacting to issues. The Scum Star Sponges are a great way to keep your hot tub spotless, ensuring every part of your spa is thoroughly cleaned. With this bundle, you can enjoy easy and effective hot tub care. No more juggling different chemicals or worrying about constant maintenance. The Easy Spa Total Care and Poolzilla Scum Star Sponges provide you with everything you need to keep your spa in perfect condition. This product not only simplifies your spa care routine but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your hot tub is always ready for a relaxing soak. If you want a clean, clear, and well-maintained hot tub without the hassle, the Easy Spa Hot Tub Care Bundle is the best choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Enjoy your spa time.